Hey guys, it's Jeff Jones from theboxman.com with some very exciting news. Over the last 30 days, I have been on several different videos inviting you and everyone that you know or anyone that you can share this information with to give away a free Formuler Z11 Pro Max. And today I was able to, yesterday actually, to pick a winner. Not only did I pick one winner, but I felt great, very gracious, and I felt I should pick two winners, so I did. And these gentlemen or these persons, I appreciate them being part of the YouTube channel and participating. For everyone that participated in getting the free Formula Z11 Pro Max. And without any further ado, the winners are Chris Yorks and Robert Luther. Congratulations to Chris Yorks and Robert Luther to be the first two winners, not just one, but two, of a brand new Formuler Z11 Pro Max. They were gracious enough to give me their shipping information. And you're probably saying, why would you do that? Why would you give them that type of box? I don't know. I just want more people to tune into the channel. I think these devices are the best devices, hands down. And if they can keep the Boxman name and tell people how gracious we are, maybe some people will buy some of the devices that we have because they're completely legal. We stay right in the lines and we don't want any drama. We just want to help good people like them, watch TV how they want to watch TV. So I'm going to just announce again, this month, we are going to have another giveaway, so stay tuned. It is going to be a brand new Formula Z Mini. A brand new Formula Z Mini. I'll let you know in the next video, but for right now, thank you, Chris, and thank you, Robert, and congratulations again for being the two winners of the brand new Formula Z11 Pro Maxes. We'll see you in the next video.